It's Saturday, 14th of March, and the time is quarter to 12. I'm about to have lunch. I'm having the leftover of my immunity booster salad, which has grated turmeric and ginger, as well as daikon, together with carrots, cabbage, and kohlrabi. I have some nasi goreng kampung, which I have ordered specially without eggs, without chicken, and no oil. And I've got my vegan burgers. I've got 3 more in the air fryer, so if there's not enough, I can have more there. So this is my lunch for today, Saturday, 14th of March 2020.